Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change your custom cash tags on Cash App. Perfect. If you want to frame username for people to send or request money, let's get started. First, open your Cash App and make sure you have logged in. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Under your profile name, you will see your current cash tag here. Tap edit profile. Inside the basic info section, tap the cash tag fields to edit it. Enter the new cash tag you want to use. If it's already taken, Cash App will let you know. Keep trying until you find one that available. Then the set button will turn activate. Tap set and you will see a pop-up letting you know you can only change your cash tag a limited number of times. If you are sure, hit confirm. Your cash tag is now updated. You have successfully changed your custom cash tag. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.